If you have ingrown hairs, this exfoliating brush is for you. It's by Dylonic, and all you have to do is use it twice a day, and you just rub it in a circular motion. And you can use this either dry or wet. You can use this before electrolysis, shaving, waxing, and suntans too. You can use this on your face, your arms, your legs, even your bikini area. And it just works wonderfully. It has these little silicone hairs and they just feel so wonderful on your skin. It's like getting a massage. And it's very comfortable to hold. You can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, and this is the most comfortable way. And then you just smooth it over your skin like this. You don't have to apply it too rough, very gentle massage. And you just do it in a circular motion about 10 to 15 times, and then you're ready to start shaving. This is a deep, gentle cleansing. It also removes dead skin and unclogs pores too. This definitely has become part of my beauty routine, and it would make a great gift too. I was sent this from Dylonic for evaluation purposes, and I really like it, and I think you will too. All you have to do is use it twice a day for optimal results, morning and night. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hope you found this video helpful.